In this tutorial, we will talk about how we can convert an array into an array list. In order to convert an array into an array list, we have a method named as arrays.asList. What this method will do, it will convert an array into an array list. So the syntax of this method is, first we will create an instance of array list. Here we can specify the type of our array list, whether our array list is of type string, int or a double. I am passing the name of my array list. Let's say I am declaring it is an array list is equal to new array list. After creating the instance of this array list, we can specify this method within these brackets. Let's say arrays.asList. And here we can specify the name of our array. So this is the complete syntax of converting an array into an array list. So let's understand with the help of an example how we can convert an array into an array list. Here I am declaring an array named as students. So the type of my array is string and the name of my array is students. And here I am specifying some elements inside this array students. Let's say I'm passing the name of some student. Let's say Deepak, Fazal, and Suman. So these are the elements of my array. Sorry, you have to pass a curly brace here. So these are the elements of my array named as student. Now, in order to convert this array into an array list, we have to create the instance of our array list. So let's do this. Array list, and the type of my array list will be gone off string, and the name of my list is student list is equal to new array list. So in order to use array list, we have to import a package named as java.util.arraylist. So I am importing my package java.util.arraylist, or you can simply specify java.util.star. Here I will specify the name of our method arrays.asList. What this method will do, it will convert this array into an array list. So here I have to specify the name of my array, and the name of my array is students. In order to use this arrays.asList, we have to import another package named as java.util.arrays. So now what this syntax will do, it will convert this array into an array list. So in order to view an array list, let me print this array system.out.println, and I will specify the name of my array list. Let's say student list. So let's save this program and execute it. Here my array is converted into an array list. Now I can work with these array as an array list. So let's understand with the help of an example. Suppose I want to add some more student name. So I can add like this student list, and by using add function I can add some more student name. Let's say I have added Saurabh. Save this and execute it. In order to execute, I have to print this line again. Click on save and execute it, and you can see that the name of the student has been added. So this is a concept of converting an array into an array list.